It's the Gemini Trader.
It's time to mark our charts for the coming week. My sincere apologies for not uploading any video in the past couple of weeks. Been absolutely occupied in, crashing the markets. So we will just get started right now. So here we go. I'm gonna start off by removing all my zones. And if just remember, this coming week we have CPI coming, so make your plans accordingly. Now, if you see the last week, we closed bullish as expected, and we are filling out this wick. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to mark two support zone, one here and the other is somewhere here. And next, I will mark my resistance level, which is my our next target zone. We rejected that zone once. And also, I'm going to mark this all-time high wick at 3,500, around 3,500, because literally it just dipped. Now, as we go down to the lower time frame, on a daily time frame, we are still bullish. We close above the Saturday's high. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust this support zone. This has turned into my favorite support zones. I already have pending limit orders over here. So the moment it's going to come down, I'm sure we will make the most out of it. We have strong zone here, and also we have strong demand zone here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark my support here at 33.70. My bias is going to be bullish, but as always, I'm always prepared if the market is crashing. If the market is coming down, I'm already prepared. Now, as we go on into the 4 hour, this is where we will have a good trade entry, because as you can see, let me just redefine this zone. I moved it up to 33.47.48. I'm gonna move this one here to 33.75, and I'm going to add one more support zone at 33.60, and I'm going to add one more support at 33.92, and let's see how we are looking over here. And I'm going to move this zone up to here at 33, 34, 31. And last but not the least, I will be marking this as my resistance at 34.01. Now, why this is a good zone, why this is a good trading idea, because right now we are consolidating, and the higher the time frame, the higher the stronger the confirmation. Now, if this the next 4 hour candle closes bullish here, we are looking to fill all this range, which is about 320 pip range. You can easily take 100 pip out of there. Now let's go to 2 hours. In 2 hours, we have our support here, and in 2 hours, I'm going to add one more support level at this point, 33, 67, and 68. It's about a 70 pip range. And also, if the market dips, oh boy, we are going to make serious money out of it. So because this is the big fat clean candle that we have, 32, 86, and 85. So this is the NFP. Yes, I remember. We made 40 grand out of it. I still remember that. Okay, so as we go down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to change my resistance to here at 34.07. This was on Thursday. Yeah, this was on Thursday. And now, if this candle closes below this zone, you have these couple of weeks to fill on a 1 hour. I will move this support to here, 33.72, uh, and which bring us to this zone as um, how much do we have? 30 pip range. I would not actually trade in this range. I would rather trade if when the candle closes below. I'll share my trading idea just in a bit. Um, and my next resistance is going to be here. Yeah, 401. Yeah, 70 pip range is enough. All right, let's go down to 30 minutes now. This is where interesting things will begin. This is our no trade zone. This is absolutely choppy, so there is no point risking your money here. If you really want to risk your money, leave your account number, leave your message, and I'll send you my account number. It's better to send it to me. So what we'll do, we are looking. So this is going to be my trade idea for the coming week. What I'm looking to do right now is it's going to be opening with a bullish gap. So if it opens with a bullish gap somewhere here, my sell stop is going to be the lows of the candle since it will be open with no wick. And I will just aim for 20 or 30 pips. Other than that, my second strategy is going to be to break this zone, give me a support with a candle, and then target these levels. Somewhere here, take 20, 50, and 100 pip range. Secondly, my sell idea is also looking really solid. What I'm looking for is a support to be formed here, and then support to be broken somewhere here. Then I have these wicks to fill, and boy oh boy, what a good range we have, almost 200 pips range. So this is what I'll be looking for, and then also if we close below, we also have a really solid range, and this is we have this wick to fill, and but be careful of the support. It might go jump all the way back up, but this wick is at about 70 pips, so just take 20 or 50 pips and then get the hell out of there, or set your TP to break here, sell to break even, and then target. This will be your first target, and that will be your second target. Okay, so trade safe people. We have CPI coming up. Don't lose your money. Trade safe, trade responsibly, and always remember to risk 1% on your trade. And 1 to 2 trades are more than enough for a day for you. And if you have any questions, leave your comments there, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.